Hello and welcome on part 5 of my tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to paint a tank with basics colors. The airbrush I use is Infinity CR Plus with 0.15 nozzle. The pressure I use is 29 psi. If you have a lower quality airbrush, it's not a problem. You will still be able to get an effect similar to mine. Now I'm diluting the paint using dedicated thinner from Tamiya. The proportions are 40% of paint and 60% of thinner. Before I cover the model with paint, I make a test to check if the paint spread correctly. It is worth making such space for a later tests. Now, when our tank and airbrush is ready, we can start to paint. The main goal is to put several very thin layers on the surface. Make sure the paint is fully dry before you impose another layer. After first layer, you can see no difference, but after several more, the actual paint color will start to appear. It is very important to impose very thin layers because it will give us smooth surface and other techniques like washing will be more effective. After painting basic color, now it's time to paint the second one. Just work slowly and try to put minimum amount of paint. The only mistake you can make here is to accidentally spray too much paint, which causes a blot. If you want your camo a little brighter, you can always add a little bit of basic color to the other colors of the camouflage. Now it's time to paint the last color of the camouflage. You can notice that it is not necessary to put many layers of the second and third color. Just apply as much as you want. The painting is finished and the model is ready for further techniques to increase realism. Thank you for watching.